India plans 1,200 kilometres A highway on Delhi-Mumbai Expressway for electric vehicles. The Indian government plans to construct a separate A highway on the 1,300 km long Delhi-Mumbai Expressway where trucks and buses can run at a speed of 120 km. Replying to a query during question hour in Lok Sabha, Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari said, "We are trying to build a highway on the 1,300 km highway between Delhi and Mumbai." He adds that the step is expected to bring logistics cost down by 70%. Replying to another question, the minister said, 60,000 crore rupees has been spent on constructing roads like Gadkari Expressway, the Eastern and the Western Express bypass which will reduce air pollution in Delhi. Earlier, addressing virtual National Roads or Highways Summit, Gadkari said that the government is developing 22 greenfield corridors, including 5 express highways and 17 access control highways. He said that in terms of road connectivity, significant work is being done under Golden Quadrilateral Project, NHDP program, Bharatmala, PMGSY, Setu Bharatam, and Sagarmala project. He specifically mentioned Delhi-Meerut Expressway, which will reduce travel time between the two cities to just 45 minutes in next 2 months, from present time of around 4 hours. The minister also said that the government is working on priority for public transportation system on electricity. He mentioned the milestone of construction of 12,205 kilometers of national highways from April 2020 till date at a rate of 34 kilometers.
In the current financial year 2021, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway has constructed 12,205 km of national highway from April 2020 to March 2021 till date. And now it is the rate of 34 km per day. And I am confident that in the end of the March, we will go up to 40 km per day. The target of constructing 11,000 km highway has already crossed well before the end of March. Government is working on priority to have a public transportation on electricity. Now Prime Minister has given me the special responsibility of making of ropeway, cable car, funicular railway, the light rail transport, then monorail, and we are now planning for developing this mass rapid transport on electricity. I am confident within a year we will get electric trucks. Now we have electric trucks, electric buses, electric cars, electric two-wheelers, and we are now also making lot of new fuel, just like hydrogen fuel cell, ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-CNG and electricity. We are 81% of the lithium-ion battery we are making in India. Within 6 months, I am confident that we will make 100% lithium-ion battery in India. At the same time, we are now trying for hydrogen fuel cell. Presently, our import is of 8 lakh crore, and because of petrol and diesel, we are facing lot of problem related with the pollution. So in a transport sector, we are 100% on the way that we want to convert our construction equipments, our truck, our buses, our transport system on fully biofuel or electric and hydrogen fuel cell.
Thanks for watching Mojo for Industry, India's first mobile journalism platform for industry. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Goodbye.